Hey, I'm Josh with Vacuums R Us in Colorado, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue with Dyson stick vacuums, the V10 model SV12 specifically, where the seal, the ring, will fall out of the dustbin. You can theoretically put these back in after they fall out. Usually the clips are broken on them, which is why they fell out, and you can theoretically glue them in. It usually doesn't go very well. Usually glue is not sufficient. There's a lot of strain on this, so it's better to just replace it. We have these available. I'll put a link below. We usually have these in stock. If they're not, it's back orderable. You'll get it. It might take a couple weeks to, it's on special order, but you'll get it. These new rings are upgraded. Anytime you see me doing a repair video, you can assume this is not a one-of. This is something that happens frequently. If I'm doing a video, it's because it applies to tens or hundreds of thousands of people. This is a very common issue. These are upgraded. They're much less likely to fail. The aftermarket ones have resolved the issues that Dyson had with these. So normally I start my videos with a big old disclaimer, I'm doing this video as a service. If something goes wrong, I'm not liable, and all of that applies. If your vacuum becomes sentient and attacks your cat, that's not my problem. Or if it burns your house down, not my problem. Do this at your own risk. With all that said, this is a really easy one. This is one screw. It's super easy. So we'll get right into it. First, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and take your dustbin off. So you're going to open it like you normally would if you were just opening it to empty it out, right there. There's a little latch right here. It's got an arrow on it. If you push that little button, the whole dustbin will pop right off, right? So after you get that off, you're going to use, I believe I've got that's a T8 screw. There's one screw right here, not this one. Do not take that upper screw off. It's this one right here that's holding this on. You can take a T8 and that'll come right off. We also sell the bits. Sometimes our seals actually come with little drivers with them. Sometimes they don't. So we also sell the bit sets that come with the T8. So after you take that screw off, you'll see, if you look, there's two clips on this side that are holding this in. And you're going to need to pull from that side where those clips are, and you kind of got to wiggle and it will pop out. You're going to pop out on this side because on the other side, and I'll show you on the new one, there's a stud right here where that screw goes into. You see that stud? So we're going to pull out the clip side first. That's going to pop out because this stud pushes into that hole. So when we reinstall the new one, we have our stud right here, and that goes in where the screw hole is. We'll put that in right there. Put that stud in, and then the clip side, we're gonna wiggle this in. Oh, I'm putting it in backwards. So let's not put it in backwards. The red goes down. So we'll put the stud in on that side. We're kind of cockeyed like that. And then this side where we're still hanging out, those are where the clips are. So we'll push that in. You hear one side, I just heard a clip. And the other side, I've not gotten a clip yet. So you have to push these buggers in pretty hard. When the new ones are pretty tight. So what I do, I can tell there's still a lip there. I'm going to put it against my bench over here and just kind of walk it back and forth. I heard one. The other one's still not quite in. Almost. So I'm going to walk that in. Nope, yep, it's in. So I got both sides in now. And like I showed you, I just kind of walk it back and forth until those clips go in. And you usually hear them. I didn't hear the second one snap this time. And then I'm going to put the screw back in. And again, there's a link in the bottom. You can buy these things directly from us. We also have the filters. Let's face it, you've probably never replaced your filters. Get a set of filters while you're at it, and that'll get you, I think it's 25 bucks for free shipping. You throw some filters on there, you'll make your free shipping. Actually, these machines only take one filter. So I put that back on. You heard the clip. That's where this was engaging. Close back again. And now open it up, and our seal stays in there. Brand new seal. Looking good. All right, well, we're ready to vacuum.